Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Melitta, and in today's video we are going to go through my closet and declutter it because it is well needed. My meaning with it is to throw away the clothes that I haven't been wearing in a very long time and make some space for new clothes or clothes that I actually want to keep safe, you know what I mean? So without further ado, let's jump right into the mess. So now we literally have everything what I had in my closet in my living room floor, and my closet is empty. So what we're gonna do is separate everything and see what I wear and what I don't wear. So here we are, it's a bit more put together. There are stuff that I throw away. It's up until now socks and a bra. Here are some of my workout clothes. Those are stuff for the kitchen. I don't know how they got into my clothes. And then here are the stuff I want to hang, and this is still the pile I have to go through. And then I just have to put everything away and do my laundry. And in the meantime I'm watching RuPaul's Drag Race. And my tree, how cute, rose gold. Loving it. Okay, that's looking better. Those are the stuff I'm throwing away. I have 3 t-shirts, some socks that are broken, and a bra that is broken. And all these just have to be folded and get into the closet. So are you guys ready to see the finished product? Ta-da! Hold up. So, it was a mess. Here are some of my long sleeves and hoodies. Here are the stuff I wear for working out, pajamas, some of the socks that had only one pair when I was decluttering because the rest is in the laundry, so it will get taken care of after I'm done with the laundry. Here are the stuff, shorts, short skirts, and some dresses I wear in the summer. Here are just some pants I usually wear. Here are boyfriend's clothes, and there are like thicker pajamas and hats that I wear usually. And then here is everything that I like to hang, like jackets, dresses, jeans. Everything is nicely hanged. I don't really like color coordinate. Here up there are some towels, there under are my bed sheets. And in these little closets, this is a bit broken though, but there are my lingerie and my socks. So here is, there is the laundry, what I still have to do. And that's it, pretty much. So that's pretty much it for my closet decluttering video. Bless you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a bit of a mess, but I do want to remind you that once in a while it is needed to go through your closet and see what you have and what you actually don't wear. Donate it to people, or you know, whatever. Just don't let it be in your closet and just take space for no reason. Why would you do that? It's stupid. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys soon. Kisses.